It's your girl Hetty. Amen. Hello, what's up? How you doing? It's your girl Hetty. Amen. So welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are basically doing this install. Okay, this is a frontal wig that I've always been wearing here, but I decided to cut it short and then install it for you guys to see. So it's my birthday dinner, right? And I decided to install this quick wig. Yes, I'm a new mom, so I don't have time to be doing all the gluing process. So this video features a simple, quickest way of installing your frontal for that, quick event. Yes, if you want to have a quick fix with no gluing, no waiting, because I ain't get time, okay? I don't have time. Every second baby is crying. I need to attend to him. So let's start. So this is an old wig, okay? So I used to have elastic band, but I've cut the elastic band off because I don't want to have headache. So all that you need is to sleek back your edges, and I'm using the black Got2b gel. That is all I'm going to use to sleek back my edges, and that is the same thing that I'm also going to use to install the hair. I'm not really a person who would want to wear frontals throughout the week in the house. Yes, I prefer closures and I prefer leaving my hair to breathe. So wearing a frontal is kindly random thing that I do, especially when I have an event to go in the evening, or one Sunday I want to look extra. That is when I install a frontal. So most of the time I use gel, the clear one. That is not messy at all. And I also don't do the bald cap method. I just use the stocking cap to pull back all my hair and edges back, and then just do it as I am doing. Okay, so no commitment here. The motive is to have it to fix my hair for the night that I'm going to use it, or for the day. If you have a quick event that you have to go, you want a quick fix, that natural looking hairline without doing so much, then this is for you. As I said, I'm a new mom. I don't have time, but I still want to look good. I still want to wear a frontal for that event. Then all you need is the black Got2b gel, or the clear one as you see me using. But you make sure you pre-style your wig. I prefer to pre-style my wig on a mannequin head so that I don't do anything when I'm installing. So I go back with the Got2b fixing spray to give it additional hold. When I'm done, I just have to, just be walking in the house doing other stuffs, and it will get dry and tacky. If you can't do that, or if you want to go straight, you just have to use blow dryer, and then make sure that it is tacky before you install. I'm a pro at this, so sometimes I don't even wait till it gets dry or tacky. I just put it on as you are seeing. The motive here is to be as simple, quick as possible, and not messy. So this install can only last you for that night or that day, okay? When you sleep over on it, the next day you take your bath, you know that the lace is going to lift. Why? Because it's a gel, and then gel washes off quickly or easily with water. So you just drag it and then push it and adjust it as your face frame, and that is it. Yeah, that is just it. Press it on. If there are places that the glue or the gel couldn't fix, you go back with the gel, wait for it to get tacky as I'm doing, or just use the fixing spray as well. So I hold it for a while, and then I'll go over on it with the Got2b fixing spray to give it additional fix and hold. And when I'm done, I just put an elastic band, or you can put a satin bag, anything that is, you know, stretchy and tight to give that melt. Okay, so I have already done my edges. I don't need extra work. I prefer to style my hair on a mannequin head before. Yes, it's that easy for me. So if you want that perfect look and you don't want to be doing a lot when you have the hair installed on your head, then get yourself mannequin heads at home and styling tools at home, so you style your own hair on the mannequin head before you put it on. Curling, pattern, and everything. So when done, voila, I go do a simple makeup. Yes, no lashes. And yeah, this was a 14 inches wig long. The last time I installed it, I parted it in the middle, and I decided to just make it shorter. Yes, new mom vibes, right? I just did two baby hairs at the sides, and voila, I created some layers in the hair. And yeah, I'm looking cute. The back is bushy and then fluffy. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If there are other tutorials you would want me to do, if the style that I have on you would like it, the hairstyle, it is so cute. It could be, yeah, this can be like 8 inches frontal bob, okay, but it has layers and it has volume, very natural looking. So yeah, I went to baby dinner with this, and the next day I took my shower and then it came off. Yes, so this is for a quick fix. If you want a long lasting hold, then you go the glue way. But hey, look at my outfit, okay? Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what other videos you want me to do on here. And it's your girl Hetty Amos. I'll just give you a full, you know, picture on how I looked that night. I was looking cute. Yes, my birthday, right?